To change the theme language in Shopify, you need to access your store's admin panel and navigate to the theme settings. Start by logging into your Shopify account and clicking on the Online Store option from the navigation menu. From the Online Store page, click on the Themes option. Then click on the Actions drop-down menu next to your current theme and select Edit Languages. In the Edit Languages page, you can change the theme language by clicking on the Change Theme Language button at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of available languages. Select the language you want to use for your store. After selecting the language, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Your store's theme language will be updated immediately. It is essential to note that changing the theme language will only translate the theme's built-in text, such as buttons and headers, and will not translate any content you have added to your store, such as product descriptions and page text. To translate your store's content, you will need to use a translation app or manually translate each piece of content. There are many translation apps available in the Shopify App Store that can help you translate your store's content quickly and easily. By following these steps, you can easily change the theme language in Shopify and provide a better shopping experience for your customers in their native language.